Our community has always encouraged our children to be good at sports, music, and of course at schoolwork. Our community now has the opportunity, that is the Balar Malar students, teachers, parents, to understand and learn the skills that are required to maintain good mental well-being. It's very important that we also look at some of our cultural beliefs that seem to work against mental well-being sometimes. To this extent, we are very happy that Thadam, it's an organization that runs workshops, will be able to offer us some sessions. நமக்கு சாத்தியமான பொருள்களை அச்சீவ்மெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்துக்கும் நல்ல மனநலம் வெகு முக்கியம். படிப்புக்கும் சரி, எல்லாவற்றிற்கும் சரி, நம்ம லைஃப்க்கே அது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்ட். Well-being, mental well-being is very, very important. I have great pleasure in introducing Punkurali, who is the founder of Thadam, an organization that has experience in running some of these workshops.
Thank you, Dr. Saroja, for your gracious introduction. Vanakkam, Inda per Punkurali. I'm a psychologist as well. Thadam has been working in Tamil schools, temples and other organizations around ways to optimize one's potential. To reach one's potential, Thadam understands to care for one's mental health from a very young age is important. Thadam is offering a set of workshops for Balar Malar students to coach them on how to reach their potential. And these workshops are for primary students as well as high school students as well. These workshops are also being offered to parents and to teachers as well to help them to help the students to reach their potential. So we're very excited about this. So we're hoping that we'll be able to meet you all in either an online platform via Zoom or face-to-face to come in and to start coaching your students. The very first workshop that we are offering is around how to deal with stress when it comes to academics. And this is one of the issues as a psychologist that I see a lot more, particularly in high school, particularly in 11 and 12. For further information around this, if you're very much interested in this workshop, please speak to the president of Balar Malar. He has all the information. Thank you very much.